Hi everyone, welcome back. If you are new, please consider subscribing. My name is Yadi and I make educational videos for beauty professionals in training and for everyone who likes to continue learning. In today's video, I am taking you inside of the treatment room with me, this time to show you a brief chemical peel demo. We are working with Glymed Plus 15% TCA peel. Now, before we get started, I simply would like to say that you must be a licensed professional to be able to perform a chemical peel. And not just that, you must be properly trained and know how to perform the service. Remember, not all peels are created equal. There are some peels that are not suitable for Hydrogel Fitzpatrick. We all have read or heard about chemical peels gone wrong. Please do not apply a peel on someone without you knowing what you are applying. If this is a service you are interested in offering, then you must start by choosing a skincare brand you believe fits your practice and go with a brand that will educate you in the service and provide you with continuing education and protocols for you to follow. You must have a thorough understanding first, and of course, client consultation and preparation is an absolute must. This video is not intended to replace proper training. I am only showing you a glimpse of the process. Now let's get started. The 15% trichloroacidic acid TCA peel and natural tyrosinase inhibitors is amazing for its results in treating and correcting and controlling pigmentation, wrinkles, and acne. The potent antioxidant vitamin E and retinol palmitate in combination with TCA provide unbelievable results. What makes this peel even better, you guys, it is safe for all Fitzpatrick. Now let's go over some of the benefits of this peel. It is going to brighten and tighten the skin, minimize pores, reduce fine lines and wrinkles, reduce pigmentation, increase elasticity and firmness, reduce dull and uneven texture, reduce redness, and of course, it is anti-aging. So if you have concerns with wrinkles, fine lines, dark spots, acne, pores and texture, if you have normal, combination, or oily skin, this will be a great option for you. And a quick reminder that prepping the client's skin prior to receiving a chemical peel, it's super important. How do you prep the client's skin? Well, you want to make sure that the client has a skincare routine that they are doing at home, that they are using active ingredients, that they are coming to see you regularly for treatments leading up to the actual chemical peel. Your client must be committed to taking care of their skin during this time. They should be taking care of their skin all the time, but especially during the time that they have received a peel and that they are following the specific instructions that you have given them. Well, let's jump right in. We are starting off by doing our first cleanse. We are using Glymed Plus Mega Purifying Cleanser. This cleanser provides a deep clean, but it contains the age-defying antioxidant vitamin E to help combat dryness, the extrinsic assaults, and the harmful irritants that lead to premature aging. It purifies, it is calming, it increases hydration, it is great for normal, combination, oily, dry, and sensitive skin. My model's skin concerns the day of treatment and why we chose to do a chemical peel was post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation on the forehead along with texture. She has been preparing her skin leading up for the peel and has a skincare routine that she follows at home and has all the product that she needs for her post-treatment. If you're a student looking to try Glymed products, I highly recommend that you guys create an account with them and look into purchasing their student kit to become a little bit more familiar with all of their products. Second cleanse, we're using the Gentle Facial Wash. If you've been here before, then you know this is one of my favorites. It's a paraben-free cleanser that contains 10% glycolic acid that helps jumpstart skin cells, promoting the desquamation process and enhancing the penetration of treatment products. Glycolic acid helps to combat aging, improve acne, lighten and brighten the skin. This cleanser provides anti-aging and exfoliation benefits, and it is still very gentle. Next, I will be degreasing the skin, and to do so, I will be using the Skin Astringent number 5. It contains 5% salicylic acid, essential oils, and healing botanicals for moderate acne. It helps to clear up acne, kill bacteria, reduces redness, and controlling excess oil production on the skin. Some of its benefits, again, purifies, reduces oil, prevents breakouts. Concerns, if you have acne concerns, also this product is great for pre-treatment, which is how we are using it in today's demo, and also pores and texture. Next, I am using the Cell Protection Balm, and I am going to be applying this on all the sensitive areas throughout her face. So again, corners of her nose, right around her lips, the under eye area. I usually like to apply right above the client's eyebrows. And again, I just do this to the sensitive areas of the face just to protect the skin a little bit more from the peel. The Cell Protection Balm works as a barrier repair balm and skin shield. It is excellent for post-peel and laser procedures, in addition to soothing extra dry or itchy skin, chapped lips, or skin irritated by rashes, scrapes, insect bites, and small burns. It's a really great product to keep in the treatment room. Dun dun dun. All right, you guys, so here is the actual peel, and I'm pouring it into this glass dish. If you made it this far into the video, leave me this little fire emoji in the comments. So here I am using a gauze, and I'm folding it into a small square, and I am going to be dipping it, saturating my gauze, and I'm going to do my passes throughout. I will be starting on her forehead, then continuing down the sides of her face. Remember, this is a layered peel, and you are able to do up to 4 layers, waiting anywhere between 3 to 5 minutes in between each layer to allow the peel to neutralize. Now, not every client can tolerate 4 layers. Okay, in this case, you will see that we'll be doing 3 layers on this lovely model, but not everyone, you guys, can tolerate 3 or even 4. Maybe 1 pass or 2 passes will be enough for certain clients. So this is very important that you are aware of it, and remember to follow the protocol. Pay close attention to instructions. As you are applying the peel on the skin, one thing you must keep in mind to look for is for frosting on the skin. Frosting is when parts of the skin turn white during a chemical peel. This indicates that protein coagulation has happened, and it is the stopping point. It happens usually with TCA peels, which is what we're using in this demo. It's basically letting you know that the peel has reached its depth level and basically the clinical end point. Do not go over frost, okay? It can appear after a peel has self-neutralized. A reminder to always check on your client's comfort. And yes, I had 2 fans available for her to use. Again, the use of the fans just help to soothe and calm the skin down a bit. Remember, this is a controlled wound we are doing to the skin. It's controlled because we know exactly what we're doing and what is happening. So, but always check on your client's comfort. She was being extremely strong. You guys, this chemical peel does get very spicy. It's not for the weak is what I usually say, but the results are amazing. So this is the last and final layer that I am applying, and I just want to point out the importance of communicating with your client. She was very well aware of what her instructions are for her aftercare. She knew she was going to be keeping this peel on her skin for the remainder of the day, and she was instructed to cleanse her face very gently before going to bed and applying moisturizer. And in the morning, she will repeat the same steps. She's going to gently cleanse her face, apply a great moisturizer, and apply sunscreen and avoid direct sunlight. After receiving a chemical peel, the client's skin will always feel a little bit tender to the touch, which is why we say to be very gentle with your skin. It's going to feel very tender, very tight. It'll also feel very itchy at some point, and it's all part of the healing process of the skin. It is extremely important that you let your clients know of what to expect. Therefore, they're not surprised and they're pretty much ready for it. What I just used was the Skin Recovery Mist. It is a mist that forces life back into dehydrated, irritated, and lackluster skin with a dose of hydrating and healing algae, hyaluronic acid, and vitamin B. It is a very lightweight mist that leaves the skin very refreshed, revitalized, and luminous. Next up, I'll be creating a cocktail using the fulvic elixir and the living cell clarifier. The fulvic elixir is one of the most powerful antioxidants for skin health, known for its antibacterial, antifungal, antiviral, and anti-inflammatory properties. The living cell clarifier uses natural tyrosinase inhibitors such as bearberry, licorice, and mulberry, along with pitic acid to reduce melanin production and help brighten the skin. It's a great combination, especially after a peel. Notice how I am patting the product into the skin. I'm avoiding excessive rubbing. Again, the skin is very tender to the touch, so keep that in mind. Next, I am applying the Ultra Hydrogel. It replenishes dehydrated, irritated, and aging skin with 10% hyaluronic acid gel. Its benefit, of course, is going to increase hydration. It's going to repair. It has prevention, and it's going to help plump the skin. If you have any concerns with dryness, pores, and texture, it's great for post-treatment, and it is also oncology safe. It is a great product to keep in the treatment room. I always incorporate the use of a fan in between using all products, you guys, to avoid products clumping up and just not working properly. So always use a fan to help you out. Next up, we're applying the Cell Protection Serum. What does this do exactly? Well, it strengthens the skin's barrier by replenishing critical lipids lost from intrinsic aging and following clinical procedures. It drenches the skin in humectants, ceramides, antioxidants, and other age-fighting nutrients. You guys, I am following the protocol step by step that Glymed provides. Let's not forget about the under eye area. Here I am using the CBD Regenerative Eye Cream. It is an ideal touch to balance the delicate skin under the eyes. It is a lightweight texture and allows for fast absorption. And of course, the use of SPF. And that is it for this video, you guys. What I want you to get out of this is the fact that I want you to remember that continuing education is key. Continuing education is very important in our industry, and it does not matter whether you've been licensed for 20 years, 15, 10, 1 year, a few months. It does not matter. You have to stay on top of things. You want to be able to grow and be knowledgeable, and with that, it means that you have to put in the work and continue in your education and never stop learning and never stop growing. Thank you so much for being here, and thank you for your continued support. Let me know in the comments down below if you plan on offering chemical peels or if you already do so. You guys, don't forget to check out the esthetician's playlist. I do have several other demos of me doing chemical peels, so don't forget to check those out if this is something that interests you and you would like to learn a little bit more about them. Again, hey you guys, let's not forget, let's keep going, let's keep growing, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.